What's up guys, welcome to a point of view video. I'm gonna test my car, Skoda Octavia 3, so I'm gonna unlock it and we're gonna go for a test drive. Now I'm not gonna talk in this test drive, except I'm gonna mention in the beginning of the video two things. Now for all of you who follow my channel, this is my main camera and this is an iPhone 7 and I have a GoPro Hero 5 which I'm using now. And you're gonna see the needles go up and down. This is not a standard feature. I just got contacted by OBD11. They've sent me their OBD11 device, which is a nice device that could program your car, unlock some things, or use it as a diagnostic tool for your car. I'm gonna do a review of that, so make sure to subscribe to my channel to see that review. Now I'm gonna go for a drive. It's gonna be a short drive. Let me just mute here. It's gonna be a short drive through my neighborhood, just for a test video for my future car reviews. Now write in the comments below if the angle is good, if there's shaking. I want to hear your opinions. And if there's a lot of requests, I'm gonna go for a test drive out of my neighborhood to show you the Octavia 3. This is 1.6 engine, so I'm gonna go, if you want, to a highway, city. This is just a slow drive from my neighborhood. And now, believe it or not, I've passed through here 3 times. This is my 3rd attempt of making this video and not looking terrible, because there's well, the road is not perfect here in the neighborhood, so the camera is shaking and I cannot prevent that. I have tightened my camera to my head strap, but this is something that is really hard not to have in the video. And this is where I'm gonna end my video. Maybe I came too close with my bumper. Definitely heard it scratching. I usually not do that thing, but yeah, this is my car, guys. This is my winter setup. I know these hubcaps look ridiculous. This is my winter tires. They're 16-inch. I have original 18-inch summer tires and alloy wheels that came with the car. This is a quick review for you guys, point of view. Leave it in the comments below if the video is too much shaking, if the angle is good. I hope you're not seeing too much roof. I'm gonna use this for my future car reviews, so I'd like to hear your opinions in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.